This is Prajyot Mainkar. Welcome to the first episode of SoFueled. In this episode, we are going to see how to translate from a base language to a language in which you wish to see that text converted or a statement getting converted using simple Excel sheet. Now, in this case, we are using Google Sheet and default functions which Google allows you to change or switch to a different language. This is a simple Excel sheet which I have created, which I'm going to share with you. The link, obviously, you will see in the description. But in this case, I've considered the text in English, which you can which we you wish to change to different languages. So I've considered Spanish, Arabic, Ukrainian, and of course Hindi. In this case, Google Translate allows to translate from several. It's more like using Google Translate feature. You can add as many columns as you need, and it becomes very handy when you're traveling. You want to probably have some text getting converted and runtime. Excel is very sophisticated software. Google Sheet has really made this very simple, using some few tips which I'm going to tell you right now. So let's assume this column is just the text that I wish to convert into different languages, and I'm going to convert that particular text into different languages as you see in this columns. So the simple statement that you need to use is equals to Google Translate. I mean, just type GOO, you'll get Google Translate. Now, this particular method uses three parameters to start with. Of course, first is the language, the word or the statement you wish to convert. So I can say this one, right? So that's A2, comma. In the double quotes, the next two parameters would be from to language. So from, which is going to be English, which is en, and these are the short codes that you need to use. These are the language short codes. The link of all the languages supported I've put in the description, so you can go and check out the options. And the next parameter is the language in which this data has to convert. So that's Spanish. So that the short code is es, and that's all. You just need to press enter. It'll take a bit of time, and yeah, there you go. You'll have the data that will flow. Now I've got some runtime data which is here, right? So I just need to scroll this down. That's all. So it's simple. So if I want to, and I can this data. So this is runtime, right? You can actually have in Arabic. So the statement would change only at a couple of places, right? So you just need to look at, now in this case I need to switch this one, comma, from English to Arabic, which is AR, the short codes. That's all. You just need to drag and you'll see the relevant data in this, right? Simple. I'm just going to follow this for rest of this. Simple, and it's as quick as possible. Oops. It's going to be A2. I want to convert from English to UK. That's all. And again, you can drag. And let's try out the last one, which is Hindi. Again, it's very simple. Same steps. I want to convert A2 from English to Hindi, which is HI. And da da da. That's all. Let's try seeing how runtime this can work. This is a tutorial. Well, as simple as that. Well, that is what this Google Translate method helps you out. It's simple. You can actually have so many columns with it, and as you know, Google Sheet is a fun activity to try your hands on with. Great tool. I personally love Google Sheets. Um, Definitely give a hands on to this particular method. If you're looking at the short codes for each languages, I have given it in the link below in the description. You can have a look at it, and I'm going to bring so many other tools tips in this particular channel. If you like it, do subscribe it, and of course share it with few friends who might be interested in knowing about tips which I'm going to share in next few episodes. Until then, thank you for listening, and and please do visit again to check this channel out. Thank you.